So you're moderating a panel? Congratulations. Here are a few tips for you, because many conferences use the panel format to actually gather many speakers on the same stage, and we end up with very boring sequential series of speakers talking. So you really have a challenge to make your panel worth it. Here are a few tips. First, try to be as solution-oriented as possible. A panel, like a talk, like a story, is answering a challenge, is trying to address a problem. But try not to focus too much on the problem and focus as much as possible on the solution. Beforehand, before the panel, a few tips. First, try to gather from the speakers visual images. One image is worth 1,000 words. So if you can have different visuals, images, or photos, anything that works, to be rotating behind you during the panel, that is really giving a lot of additional information to the audience. Second, contact the panelists beforehand. Talk with each one of them and ask them what is moving them, what is really motivating them to participate to this panel, what do they have to bring, what is their special take on it, and what is their solution. Ask them to prepare 3 to 5 key answers, short answer, tweet-like phrases that they can already bring to the discussion. And then beforehand, gather all the panelists 1 hour before the panel together, and be sure that you go over the structure with them and you're sure about all their expectations are covered. Then during the panel, well, you have a challenge with time, right? Your role is to be sure that the time is managed, and as well that you have a real balance between the speakers. So again, you might interrupt each speaker, but your goal is to have a very fast and agile rhythm. So try to alternate the speakers as much as possible. Ask them very clear and simple questions. You don't have time to solve systemic problems in a 45 minutes panel with 5 speakers. Ask them short answers like, what is your greatest achievement? What is your greatest failure? If you had to do it all over again, what would you do? What is your solution in 3 phrases? What is your advice to the audience? Try to keep the audience engaged by making them do something. It can be a physical activity, it can be to stand up, it can be to talk to the neighbor, it can be to download an app, it can be to answer a question on a notebook, anything that keeps them busy and active. Share with them the social media hashtags as well, so that they can export the conversation outside. Try to avoid at the beginning boring intros that take too much time in the panel. Everybody has the biography of the speakers, and we don't need a long LinkedIn profile intro. Try to be original. If you have to introduce each speaker, just their title, and perhaps ask them a small question like, if you had to be, if you were an animal, or if you were a movie star or a movie character, who would you be? And then, again, at the end, try to orientate the whole panel towards solution and call to action. If the panelists had to ask the audience for something, if they have to engage people into only one action, what would it be? Because we really need panels who end up with a concrete solution. A few more shift balance advice for you, because public speaking is often a male's business, especially in very technical conferences. Try to be mindful as a speaker or as a panelist. Try to avoid man-interrupting, interruption of other speakers, and especially of female speakers. That was done in South by Southwest by one of the CEO of Google, and that was really badly perceived on social media by the audience, so be very careful. Avoid what's called mansplaining as well, right? When a male speaker is explaining something to a female speaker in a very patronizing way. If you don't have any female on your panel, ask the organizer to do so, and if not, find one. Be active on this. There are many listings all over the world. Would it be Vox Femina, Les Experts in France, La Stop Fien in Spain? Would it be She Says in the UK, or even Facebook groups of women in tech? So if you want to find women, you can find them. And then sign the panel pledge to commit to have a more diverse speakers and a more diverse panel, to have more diverse voices in different conferences. And then enjoy. Good luck.